So we are gathered here today in this wonderful paradise to celebrate one of life's most important relationships, the joining of two people in marriage. David and Chris, you fell in love by chance or even by destiny, and you're here today because you're making a choice. You're both choosing each other. You've chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, who makes you smile, and makes every day brighter. You're about to make promises to each other that you intend to keep. You're going to vow to take care of each other and to stand up for one another and to always find a way to put love first.
I remember coming back from a Winterhawks game or one of the first dates you were on, and we opened a bottle of wine and we were kind of talking in the living room, and you're just like, he's so different and he's beautiful. And I was like, you're saying beautiful? Who are you? But one thing I know about Chris is that he's a Cancer and he's loyal to a heart. And whenever I met you, I found there were so many similarities, and you keep each other in check and you love each other so deeply. And I'm gaining another best friend. We're gonna hang out more often, I promise that. But just wanna say congratulations to you both. I'm so happy for you. This was truly beautiful.
David, I'm honored to be your best man. Leanne and I are happy for you that you found somebody that respects you, loves you, makes you happy. We can see it in your face every time we see you and when you guys are together. Chris, thank you for making my brother so happy. Looking forward to having you as one of my other brothers. The kids are looking forward to have you as another uncle. It's just a note, it's hard to keep a cone happy. So you can ask Leanne if you need any advice. She'll help you through that. Just congratulations. Thanks for this is a great setting. And I'm happy for you both. So thank you. Yeah.
We've all got our dreams, we've all got our fights. We're caught in between the darkness and light. We've all got our demons, we've all got our fears. They tried to chase me, but they led me here. This feels like home. This feels like home. I've been searching for that something.
I'm not sure that I totally believe in fate, but there is definitely something that brought us to each other. The universe called to us because it knew that we were meant to be together. Chris, you are my biggest supporter, my best friend, and my co-pilot. Although today marks the start of the rest of our lives together, I know that will not be enough time with you. Because words can't always express it, I promise to show you for the rest of my life how much I love you. I promise to hold your hand through the good times and the bad. I promise to support you in your dreams, and I promise to be loyal and faithful and put you before all else. And I promise that when we get old and wrinkly, well, you probably won't be wrinkly because you'll be having Botox and fillers, that we look back on our lives and we'll have no regrets. From this day forward, you will never walk alone.
This feels like
After our first date, I remember thinking, who is this shy, handsome guy? I quickly learned that hiding behind the surface was a man who was caring, loving, supportive, loyal, honest, and respectful. You always laugh at my inappropriate jokes. Even when I cross the line, you know I do that a lot. You always allow me to be myself, which we all know can be extra sometimes. And you always do that without judgment. I am truly honored to be standing up here next to you. Today I am marrying my best friend, a guy who taught me what love means, my biggest supporter, and the guy I've been waiting on my whole life to marry. I promise to always support you, to encourage you, love you without fear, and cherish you as your husband.
Chris, thank you for loving your friends. You love your friends fiercely. And what I love about you is that you make your friends family. You truly bring your friends and they become a part of your tribe. And you did that with me when I first moved back to Portland. I'm from Portland originally, but I moved back about 4 years ago. And we became friends and you brought me in. And you loved me through the hurricanes, through the karaoke nights, through all of the crazy experiences that we've had running half marathons, hood to coast, all these things that we've been able to do together. And you do that because we're family. And everyone here, you've made part of your family. And what I love about David is that when you met him, he felt the same way about you. He made you family. His family made you family. They embraced you and brought you into the Cone clan and loved you just like they love him. And the two of you will continue to do that together because you make your friends your family. So thank you so much for being in our lives. We wish you the absolute best as you start your marriage together, and we are here for you as family through all of the hard times, all of the happy times, all of the fun times, and a lot more karaoke nights and probably some hurricanes along the way as well. So thank you for being in our lives.
I've had the pleasure and privilege of calling you my friend for over 20 years. And I want to thank you for honoring me and allowing me to be a part of your special day. Marriage deepens and enriches every facet of your life. Happiness is fuller, memories are fresher, and commitment is stronger. There is no greater joy than having your co-pilot, your wingman, your best friend by your side to help navigate through the storms and this beautiful sunsets that we have. Congratulations on finding that special person that will help you become the best version of you. Heather and I have a quote that we have and we would like to share it with you. If I had to do it all over again, I would find you sooner so I could love you longer. Love you.
Introduce you, David and Chris.
I really want to fall in love with the birds and the flowers of some kind of power on me. And I want to hold your hand like no one's.
This is perfect. I keep saying this is like the most beautiful wedding I've ever been to, and it's mine. And it's like, that's insane. We're just honored that you guys are here and we feel the love, and that's all I want to say. That's all we keep saying. But thank you guys. Love you. Let's drink.
'Cause I wanna fall in love. Oh, oh, oh. I wanna see you smile more than just once in a while. So why do you hide it? I'll make it appear you'll see. Oh, I don't wanna take advice. I don't wanna think about it twice. Just give me your heart. There's nothing more I need.
By the power vested in me, by the beautiful state of Hawaii, it is my honor to pronounce you married. Please seal your ceremony with a kiss.
Yeah, look at me, dear. I'm being sincere. I think you